everyone and welcome to Freedom with Forex. Now, this particular video is about currency pair. Currency pair, why currency pair? Because you can only be profitable if you trade in a pair. Because one has to go up, one has to go down. Simple. Okay. Now, the broker platform, normally, they write in a symbol, in a 3-letter symbol. Okay. Now, broker platform, please don't worry because I'm going to go into detail as to everything what it is. Okay. But for now, for this particular video, you need to understand is the broker platform will show you the currency in 3-letter symbol. Okay. Now, for example, USD. Okay, this is U. Looks like the USD. Okay, United States dollar, or CAD, Canadian dollar. Okay, now you can find out about all these things on a broker's platform. So many different pairs. You don't have to worry about it too much when you go there. Okay, so for now, for this particular video, I'm just gonna give you example of USD and CAD. All right, because that's not important in finding others. Otherwise, the video will be very long. All right, for this particular video, that's important. Okay, so USD. This is how they write, okay, currency pair. Now, what's this side is always base currency. This side is called base currency, and this side is code currency, okay. Base currency and code currency. Base currency is always one. So USD is 1, okay, in this example, and Canada's will be different. So how much? Now that will be equivalent to 1 USD equivalent to code currency of Canadian dollar would be different. How much? We don't know. I'm just giving an example. That's how they're going to be writing on the broker's platform. So on the broker's platform, you're not going to find anything. None of these things. Okay? So that's what you're going to find. This pair and this is the price. Alright? Goes up, goes down, what happens, what not. We are not worried about it for now. What's important? That's how they're going to quote. Okay, now mainly the currencies are divided in categories, 3 main categories. One is called majors, one is called minors, and one is called exotic. Now, good news is you don't have to worry or remember about all these things, okay, about the categories or whatever. As long as your broker platforms shows you or makes it available on the platform, you can trade. Could be in major, minus, or exotic, doesn't matter. And whatever the currency country you're living in and your currency is, you can trade anything else apart from that. You can even trade your own currency or anything else. Okay, so that's the good news. That's the beauty about Forex trading. That's all you need to know about currency pairs. That's it. If there is a question, please do put it in the comment below, and I'll do my best to answer you. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video.